Confused about who and whom, you're not alone. We'll break it down with examples and tips. By the end, you'll feel more confident. Let's clear up the confusion once and for all. Who is used as the subject of a sentence. It refers to the person performing the action. For example, who called you? Here, who is the subject, whom is used as the object of a sentence. It refers to the person receiving the action. For example, whom did you call? Here, whom is the object. To summarize, use who for the subject and whom for the object. Let's test your understanding. Who did you see or whom did you see? Comment below. Who is going to the party or whom is going to the party? Comment your answer. Who should I ask for help or whom should I ask for help? Share below. Now let's delve deeper into the advanced usage of who and whom. Who is the subject, as in the manager who everyone respects announced the new policy. Whom is the object, as in to whom it may concern. Remember, if he, she fits, use who. If him, her fits, use whom. Understanding these will enhance your writing and impress your readers. Keep practicing and soon it will become second nature. Let's look at common mistakes with who and whom and how to avoid them. One frequent error is using who when whom is required. For example, who did you give the book to should be whom did you give the book to. Another mistake is using whom when who is correct. She is the person whom is in charge should be who is in charge. Identify the role of who or whom in the sentence. If it's the subject, use who. If it's the object, use whom. Rephrase the sentence to see if he, she, or him, her fits better. Everyone admires him, her indicates whom should be used. Practice regularly to master who and whom. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more grammar tips. In this video we've explored the differences between who and whom, learning when and how to use each correctly. Who is the subject and whom is the object. If you're unsure, try rephrasing with he, she, or him, her. Practice makes perfect, so keep practicing. Like, share and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.